another video, and today I will be taking my TRX, my War TRX, sliding in the snow. If you live in Atlanta, you know that we just got hit hard with a lot of snow. So there's about, I don't know, 2 inches on the ground right now, and I'm about to go drift and do donuts in my TRX for the first time ever. I've never slid my TRX ever. It's honestly not safe to do because of how big it is. It's a lot taller than a regular TRX. It's a lot wider than a regular TRX. It's very top heavy. You just have to be very careful with this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go out there and do the best that I can, and we'll see how it goes.
Wow. All I wanted to do was grab a C4 and I ended up throwing the fridge on the ground. So I mean, we'll just move past that, I guess. Yeah.
Bro, you're blending in with
Bryce is so pale, pasty white, and he blends in with the snow.
Let's do this. Did you get it?
I don't like y'all making fun of me for this.
Well, then you better know what you're doing.
I do. It's just been a while.
We've been in the car for a good 3 minutes. You
All
haven't
right,
gotten anywhere with that thing.
You know what? This is what we're gonna do.
Dude, that's a bag, bro. Holy shit.
We're gonna drop it, huh?
Yes, we're gonna drop
it. Dude, that's like my car right there.
Watch this. He's gonna get on video. I'm gonna set take off. I'm gonna set take off. Went absolutely nowhere. I punched that. Yeah. I punched that. Come on.
I didn't film it just to be petty.
Dude, I went nowhere. I went nowhere. I punched that and it went nowhere.
I filmed it just to be petty. I didn't film it just to be petty.
Take this thing out of snow mode. I'm about to slide. I'm about to slide. I'm about to slide. I'm about to slide. Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Pause more. Ooh, it's. Ooh, sliding. Transmission. Yeah, that's why I went nowhere. The transmission was in snow.
Yeah, you're cooked.
I gotta put it in sport. Just freaking hurry up. It really is melting.
Yeah.
And I don't know how. It's 21 degrees outside. I'm about to break my TRX. I just know it. Something's about to happen.
I'm gonna throw a snowball at Bryce when he gets out of the car.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's ice!
Holy shit.
Yo, no. This is all ice.
Remind me not to do that.
Fucking frozen. I'm learning how to be frozen. Hold on.
If you eat shit, I'm gonna laugh. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, this is, dude, he's gonna slide a lot.
He's gonna slid.
He's
Ooh.
gonna slide, just fucking.
We're about to go slide this TRX. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the first time I've ever done this, so hopefully I don't break it. We'll see. This should be interesting. All right, yeah, let's do this thing.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, it's tricky.
This is tricky.
Yeah.
And the reason why it's tricky is because it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Once you start moving, you can't stop. It just goes.
Yeah. Sounds about right. You gotta do it again and be a little closer to us. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to. I can't really control where I go. Did it look cool or not?
Do it again.
You know what? I'm just gonna do it around y'all.
Yeah. You should probably get in the middle then.
Let's try Baja. I had it in sport and it's just gripping way too much. Maybe Baja will do it.
water. Pause. Yo, that's the one, baby.
Yeah, you put it in Baja and it grips like enough to where you can slide it without having to worry about flipping
You
it.
gotta run that back.
I'm doing it again. That was lit. This is awesome, man. This is cool as shit. Gosh dang it, dude. I'm trying to hold on my camera to this. Whoa! 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 Almost went off in the ditch. Dude, I almost just went straight off into the ditch. My heart. Oh God, I couldn't stop.
Jesus.
I couldn't stop.
Alright, we might gotta get in.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
move our hands.
All right. Doing this.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh my God. That is incredible.
Yo,
That stop is crazy.
dude, that was tough.
That stop was nasty. Yeah. Oh, she's coming down again. Bro, you got it in my Go back.
Slide by.
Slide by, yeah.
Y'all smell something burning?
No?
Yeah. It's just Ricky Stank. Dude, Baja mode is so fun.
That's crazy.
Well, now you know, if you want a TRX, Baja mode's the way to go.
Yeah, that is the way to go. Baja mode changed the steering from sport to street, and you can slide for days.
He loves wasting your footage.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying. Oh no! That was not intentional at all.
Oh my god.
That was not intentional at all.
Dude,
I'm gonna have a tough time getting home tonight.
that's awesome.
It's gonna be so icy.